Hi guys, I'm back again in my Potpourri channel. Sorry not to vlog for a very long time, and to tell you the truth, I have a lot of things in my plate here and there. So everyday vlogging will not be possible. Maybe in a week I will be posting 1 or 2 videos for all of you to watch, share, like and subscribe. But please do continue to watch my vlogs whenever they are being posted in YouTube. Now, many vlogs earlier, I had shown you certain purchases from Amazon, and I think you remember really clearly which were the purchases. Yes, the paint purchases and Brustro. Yes, Brustro watercolor purchase. So I would like to display my artwork which I have been doing by using that Brustro watercolor. So please do comment when you see my artwork, my paintings and all that, so that you can support and encourage me and motivate me to try and make something more and something new. So I have done 4 paintings out of which one I am not so fond of, because since that was beginning, so I was not being able to use the colors well, but I have done. But the other 3 I'm really happy and satisfied with it. So I would like to show you all 4. You must be thinking, if she doesn't like one painting, why is she trying to show us that? Because whenever I feel I'm showing my strengths to you, I should also display my weaknesses so that I can do something better next time. It motivates me, encourages me a lot. So I would like to show you the one that I'm not so fond of is this painting. I'm not so fond of this painting. The blending didn't happen really well. The upper part was very good. But this part I felt I lacked something in it, so this I was not too fond of it. I really like this painting that I'm about to show you. It's really nice and I'm so fond of this. I have done a good job, not a well done job, but a good job. Yes, I can always praise myself, can't I? Yes. So this was my second masterpiece with Brustro watercolors. I hope you liked this, because I myself was very happy with this work, with the blending and the effect that I try and gave to this picture. So I hope this work really falls well with all of you guys, because this has really fallen well with me. So I hope you also enjoy this too. I hope you like this painting. It is done with same Brustro watercolors. Yes, you can have a closer look at it. My third painting was this. This is my third painting. Mostly I've done on boats and ships and all that. Yes, I really like the work over here. I hope all of you are liking it, because I'm trying really hard to become a perfectionist. Maybe I won't become a perfectionist, but I can try. Yes, and this was done yesterday by me. Yes, I did not use any pencil for this, no pencil work at all. It was completely done with paintbrush. Yes, it was completely done with paintbrush. So I hope you enjoyed these 4 paintings, and please do let me know which one is your favorite. This one, or this one, or this one, Definitely not this one. I suppose definitely not this one, because for this I was just learning how to use the Brustro watercolors. So artist watercolors. So this really didn't come out well. So I'm not going to display it every time. But this work is my favorite. So you have to comment and say which one is your favorite, so that I know that which has fallen really good with all of you. And slowly and more I'm going to bring up some more paintings. I have a lot of paintings in my kitty, but showing it in one vlog will not be time will be absolutely prolonged, because I know all of us have very little time to spend on ourselves with our mobiles. We are mostly too career oriented, and we have certain work issues also on our plates right now. So I won't bore you with all those paintings. So these were the 4 paintings that I did with artist, that is Brustro artist watercolors. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Every time I'm telling you, please do so. And please do comment as to which painting did you like the most, so that I know my choice or our choices match or not. Yes. And you can even comment on how I can improve on my paintings. You can give me suggestions. Suggestions are always welcome. So that's it for today. Signing off. Love, hugs and kisses from me to you. Bye.